Assalamualaikum warahmatullah. I'm Shaun Rahman. And my ID 171351918. Today's presentation. My presentation topics: state transition testing. What is state transition testing? In state transition testing is defined as the testing technique in which change in input condition case state change in the application under test. It is a black box testing technique in which the tester analyzes the behavior of an application under test for different input conditions in a sequence. In this technique, tester provides both possible and negative input test value and record the system behavior. When when to use state transition? This can be used when the tester is testing the application for a finite set of input value. Then the tester is trying to test sequence of events that occurs in the application under test equation. This will allow the tester to retest the application behavior for a sequence in input value when the tester under test has defenses on the event value in the past. When to not rely on state transition. When the testing is not run for sequence input combinations, if the testing is to be done for different functions like exemplary testing. For part of the state transition model, there are four main components of the state transition model as below. First of all, state that the software might get faster. This is simple. Second, transition from one state to another. This is symbol. Third, event that origin a transition like closing a file or withdraw money. This is incorrect print. This is fourth. At last, action that result from a transition. One error message or bring given the crash. This is action. And state transition diagram and state transition table. There are two main ways to represent or diagram state transition. State transition, not diagram, and state transition table. At state transition diagram, the state are the show and black box test, and the transition is represented by arrows. It is also called state chart or graph. It is useful in identifying value transition. State transition diagram. This is a state transition diagram. First of all, state, then first try, and first try check correct print. When check correct print is access to, then access granted, and second step, second try correct print. When correct print, so then access granted, and third try if this is not correct print, so incorrect print, so then account blocked. This is a state transition diagram. So I hope I hope I understand this diagram. I understand you to diagram. So this is my presentation, and thank you. Assalamu alaikum.